It's really hot right now, so we're just gonna let it cool completely before slicing it. Here's how to make sandwich bread in a bread maker. I'm using my Nuretva bread maker. This makes really large loaves of bread, which is perfect for bread meal prep. We're making the basic bread recipe. We're gonna do the largest loaf, which is a 3.3 pound loaf. And instead of water and milk powder, we're just gonna use some milk. You need 390 milliliters of milk. You can use any kind of milk. I'm using organic non-dairy soy beverage that's unsweetened. Then you need 70 milliliters of oil. I like to use olive oil, 1 teaspoon of salt, 100 grams of sugar, 760 grams of bread flour, and 2 teaspoons of yeast. I like to use Dry Active Yeast. And I like to use a scale to measure everything that I can because this makes it so much easier to get exact measurements. Now I'm going to go ahead and add everything in according to the directions on the recipe. First, I'm going to add in the liquid, which is my milk, then the oil, salt, sugar, flour, then 2 teaspoons of yeast. You definitely don't want the yeast to mix together with the liquid right away, which is why you add it at the very end. Close the lid, turn it on, choose the crust color. I want a light crust. Choose the loaf size. We're making the largest loaf, so we need to change it all the way to 1,500 grams. And since we're not adding any raisins or anything else, that's all we have to do. Now we just press start. This machine is actually going to knead the dough. It's going to raise the dough and bake the dough all in here. So it just is going to take me 3 hours and 15 minutes and my bread will be ready to go. And the reason why I like to use a bread machine instead of making my bread by hand is because I simply just don't have the time and energy to monitor the dough, knead it, and then bake it in the oven and do all of those steps. This machine will actually do everything for you, which is so awesome. I highly recommend this Nuretva bread maker, especially because it makes those largest loaves. It's basically the largest bread maker that you can purchase to make the most amount of bread and dough at one time, so be sure to check out the affiliate links attached to this video for where you can purchase yours at the best price. Now I'm just going to share with you updates on what this looks like as the bread is making, and then I'll share with you what the final loaf looks like. All right, the bread is finished baking. This machine will actually keep it warm for 2 hours, but we're going to start to pull it out and let it cool down. The ceramic pan makes it nice and non-stick, which I love. It's really hot right now, so we're just going to let it cool completely before slicing it. And here's our perfect sandwich bread that I made in the Nuretva 3.3 pound bread maker. This loaf is nice and hearty, it's slightly sweet, and it's super springy. It's perfect for sandwiches of all types. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this bread tutorial. Check out my other playlist of bread machine recipes for even more bread machine inspiration, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!